What's up, guys? Stephanie here from Southern Girl Cooks. Today we are going to be making chicken enchilada. Guys, if this is your first time here, welcome to the channel. If you are returning, welcome back. So without further ado, let's go ahead and get started. So what I have here is I've got a pot of just boiling water. I've got some beautiful chicken breast that I'm gonna stick in the water and allow to boil. Now, if you're pressed for time and you're just trying to get dinner on the table for your family, you can certainly use canned chicken. You just want to make sure that when you do that, that it yields about 1.5 cups for you. So I'm just going to allow these chicken breasts to boil. It's nothing, you don't have to do anything to them, just let them boil until they're done, and then we're going to shred them, okay? Okay guys, so our chicken has been boiling now these weren't the thickest chicken breast, so it boiled probably for about 8 minutes, but it is completely cooked. So now what I'm gonna do is just pull the chicken off, and I've got my colander here in the sink. I'm gonna get rid of the broth. Now, guys, if you use a lot of recipes or if you make a lot of different dishes that require chicken broth, what you might want to do is to just save this chicken broth and freeze it, but I don't need it, so I'm going to get rid of it. And I'm just dump this in the colander. Because what we're going to do is, I've got my gloves on, we are going to shred this chicken. Just go ahead and shred it with your hands. Now it is hot, that's why I've got my gloves on, and if you feel like it's a little bit too hot for you, you can certainly let it cool down a little bit. I hope this video is finding you guys well. Comment down below where you guys are tuning in from. As always, if there is something that you want to see me prepare on this channel by all means, please make sure that you let me know that. Please, please, please tell a friend to tell a friend. Click like, click share, and hit that subscribe button and the notification button. And that way, every time that we upload a new video, you'll be amongst the first to know. And thank you for watching Southern Girl Cooks. Okay, so I've got my chicken shredded. Guys, if you've not had chicken enchiladas, you are in for a treat. Now, this chicken enchilada recipe uses a white sauce with sour cream and milk and those kinds of things, but if you want to omit that sauce, you can certainly do that, and maybe you can get a red sauce from the grocery store, or you can make your own. Okay, so we're going to just put this to the side. I'm going to grab my skillet, and we are getting ready to get our sauce together. So right here I've got some butter. Get that in here. You're going to be cooking this on about medium-high heat. Mine was kind of soft, room temperature already, but because you're going to be heating it, it doesn't matter. You can bring it fresh out of the skillet or fresh out of the refrigerator if you want to stick it in the skillet. I've got some beautiful diced green onions. I'm gonna dump that in. Ooh, look at me, guys. That might be a bloopers reel. So we're just going to leave this alone for a few minutes so that those beautiful onions get nice and tender. I think I'm gonna drop my temperature a little bit because I don't want some of the onions to get too brown before the rest of them have gotten tender. Oh, that smells so good. Oh, that smells great. You know what it reminds me of? It reminds me of a Philly cheesesteak, and I don't put green onions in my Philly cheese, but it just reminds me of when I was in Philadelphia. Philadelphia, you guys have got some really good food. Is anybody out there from Philly? If you are from Philly, or if you've been to Philly, tell me who has the best cheesesteak in Philadelphia, guys. I've got my thoughts on it, but I want to know what you think. Oh, yum, yum, yum. That smells so good. If you haven't already, I've got a bunch of videos on the station that I would love for you guys to take a look at. Got some beautiful desserts, a bunch of entrees, side dishes, all kinds of things, okay? I appreciate you guys. And please, 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 like I said before, if there's something on there that you like, please don't forget to like it, share it, comment, okay? And that way we can continue to grow our Southern Girl Cooks community, okay? We want to thank you from the bottom of our hearts for the support and the love that you guys have shown us through our journey at Southern Girl Cooks. Okay, now that's pretty tender. I've got just some garlic powder. I'm gonna dump that in and stir it up. Oh, that smells so yummy. I've got some beautiful diced green chilies. I'm gonna dump that in. Don't you just love that sound, guys? It just means we're getting closer to dinner time, or dinner being ready. Now let that heat up nicely. If you guys have a recipe for chicken enchiladas that is different from what I am sharing, don't hesitate to share that as well. This is a community of sharing, guys. All right, now I've got some cream of mushroom soup. I'm dumping that in. Okay, so I've got my sour cream. I'm gonna go ahead and mix that in and mix that up really good. Make sure everything is evenly distributed. Believe it or not, guys, we are almost done with the prep work. You're doing lovely, lovely work today. We're doing lovely work today. Okay. So what I'm gonna do now is I'm going to bring in a bowl here. I'm gonna take about 3/4 of this mixture. I'm gonna put it here in my bowl. Okay. I'm gonna put my chicken into the remaining sauce that I left in the pan and mix that well. And this is what's going to go inside of your tortillas. If you got some larger chunks, make sure you break those down. I think I want to put a little bit, I might have gone crazy. I need a little bit more sauce here. There we go. I'm gonna put half of the cheese. And guys, as always, I'm gonna make sure that I link down in the description box how much of each ingredient that you're going to be using. Okay, so we've got our mixture, everything evenly distributed. So what we've got is I've got some flour tortillas, and I use the 12-inch size. I've already got my pan sprayed with vegetable oil. My oven is heated to 350 degrees. So what I'm going to do now is I'm going to take this chicken mixture and I am going to fill my tortilla with it. Okay? You can put as much or as little that you want in each one, okay? So we're just gonna roll this and put it in our pan, okay? So I'm just going to continue this process. It tends to make between 4 and 6, depending on the size of your shells or your tortillas and how much chicken mixture that you put into each one, okay? Again, we're just gonna roll. Make sure when you roll it that you've got the same side down in the pan, okay? And you wanna try to get them pretty tight. Okay. I'm gonna spread that out a bit. Okay. Now, we're gonna get that out of the way. So the sauce that we had earlier, where we reserved about 3/4 of it, we're gonna bring that back in. I've got some milk. I'm gonna mix in with that. And also my remaining cheese, which is about half a cup of cheese. Now, if you like more cheese, always, you make this recipe what you want. It's your recipe. So if you want to add some more cheese to it, certainly you can do that. So we are just going to spoon this over our enchiladas, and we are going to bake. Okay, guys, so our lovely chicken enchiladas, oh my gosh, look at that, are fresh out of the oven. Look at all that ooey gooey cheese. Oh, I'm so excited about this. Guys, if you've not already, please make sure that you click that like, subscribe, share button, and also hit the bell notification. That way, the next time that every time we upload something, you'll be amongst the first to know. So I'm gonna go ahead and give this a try. This looks so yummy, guys. So yummy. We've got our chicken, we've got our beautiful sauce that we created. Guys, it's so good. This is wonderful. You should make this now, guys. It's so good. Guys, as always, thank you for watching Southern Girl Cooks, and I'll see you in my next recipe video. Please, please, please hit that like button.